The virtual exchange program at MUBS is a unique program in the fact that it actually brings education technology at its best and delivers to the students an experience that they have never had before, an experience that is a unique opportunity to interact with the outer group, with classmates in different countries, in different universities, and it will allow them to grow their self-confidence, their ability to communicate. It will also bring the fact that they are working on real life experience while they are still at the university and inside their classrooms, supervised by professors and experts from different locations around the world, not limited to MUBS or the university and the classroom that they are jointly studying with. Our first iteration of the student exchange program, or the virtual exchange program, started with San Jose State University. After the first successful iteration of the classroom, we were encouraged to include more partners with us, and that's when we included a new class in the public health program with Cardiff Metropolitan University. We were then approached by Stanford School of Medicine, and specifically by Professor Michelle Berry, who's the Senior Associate Dean of the School of Medicine at Stanford University. And based on that, there was a joint course between Stanford Medicine and MUBS Public Health to put together a course on global and humanitarian relief.
As a student, I was honored and humbled to have been part of this virtual exchange program, which is truly a unique and promising educational approach here in Lebanon.
Our students were not limited to MUBS students. We opened up this experience to the rest of the student community in Lebanon. So we had in that same class on global health, students coming from MUBS, students coming from AUB, LAU, Balamand University, and the Lebanese University.
When we're talking about this kind of virtual exchange with the people in other countries, this will enhance their self-esteem, self-confidence, that they can not only accept others, but also to work with others and to implement the projects related especially to humanitarian relief aids in Lebanon.
It has been an extraordinary experience on the academic, professional, and social levels. The sessions were very informative, and the guest speakers gave us a close insight of the current refugee situation here in Lebanon in terms of the jobs, the healthcare, and education. The 360 videos and the virtual reality goggles provided us with a closer look and helped us experience the essence of the refugee lives.
Student teams came together from Stanford and MUBS working on capstone projects. So every team made of 6 students, 3 from the Beirut side and 3 from the Stanford side, were working on a specific challenge of their choice that was faced by the refugees. And the idea was that by the end of this joint class, the students will work on implementing their project after they get the feedback from mentors, NGOs, who are experts in the field, and their professors who come from Stanford as well as from Lebanon, from Beirut. As a result of this interaction and this collaboration, we chose one team so that this team can go and visit the site, the respective site. So the team of students that was chosen from Lebanon included 3 students. Those 3 students were able to get the opportunity to go and travel and visit Stanford, meet their classmates, and get to know the Silicon Valley and the Bay Area up close and personal.
The trip to Stanford was simply amazing. We finally met our fellow teammates there, and we discussed our future plans to implement the project here in Lebanon. We also met and networked with influential educators in the design thinking and education departments, where we shared ideas and perspectives. In all, it was an inspiring trip, which made us want to just go out there and achieve more, and made us believe that anything is possible as long as we put our minds to it.
We are proud of our achievement, especially that we're not only impacting the profile of the university as a MUBS or as a modern university, but also we are impacting the lives of the students who are now ready to go to be exposed to different communities, to different ideas, to different projects, and who are ready to propose any topic that is related to community service or to public health, to any donor, to any party who can help, who can be part of this change.
In the near future, we'll be able to include virtual exchange classes in every one of our schools at MUBS. In the fall of 2019, we will have a repeat of the class with the School of Medicine in Stanford. We will also have classes that will be set up with George Washington University and Georgetown University. Therefore, our students at MUBS, no matter the program that they have joined, will have the opportunity and the ability to interact with students in prestigious universities in the United States.